Hey guys, Mr. Hussey here. This is a shorter lesson today. It's a review on switching standard form to slope-intercept form. Okay, so if you guys can write down at the top of your paper, standard form. This is the same thing we did Friday. We're just going to practice it, okay, because a couple of you reached out to me, said you were struggling with this, so we're just going to practice this. There's a few different forms. I think there's 3. But right now we're learning 2 of them, something called standard form and then something called slope intercept form. And the slope intercept form is the one we've been doing for a longer period of time. That's y equals mx plus b, okay? Where m is the slope, right? B is where it crosses the y-axis. And standard form is written as something else. It's written as something x plus something y equals, and then this is usually just a number, okay? So these problems here that they give us are written in standard form, okay? So all of these, 8, 9, 10 through 13, are all written in standard form because it's something x, right, ax, so in this case the a would be -2, plus something y, in this case the y would be 1, equals a number. And we want to get it into this slope intercept form so that we can graph it. Okay, so let's look at number 1. We want to get it into the form y equals mx plus b. Okay, so I want the y on like the left side of the equal sign, so that's fine where it is. Okay, that can stay because that's on the left side. So I'm going to get this -2x, I want to get it over here. So I'm going to move this to there. How can I do that? Okay, well, I can do that by doing the opposite of -2x, which would be +2x. So I'm going to +2x there. I'm going to +2x here. This -2x and +2x will cross off. So we'll have y equals, and then the +2x can't do anything with the -1, so it's just going to be 2x, and then we're going to copy down this -1. Okay, so now what I've done is I've taken so when I have this -1 plus 2x, these things can't combine with each other because they're not like terms. That's why we have to take this term, which is now on the right side, which is 2x. I put it in front because I want it in front because the mx means something x, so I want that 2x here, and the -1 is here. So that's my answer for the first half. And then when you graph it, you're going to use this information to graph it. So we know that it's blah, 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 in this case -1. So we know we have a dot 1 unit under the origin. And then the 2 is our slope, right? And slope is rise over run. So in this case, it's 2 over 1 is going to be 2. So every time I run 1, I rise 2. Run 1, I rise 2. And in this case, it would go the same way in that. Go this just the opposite there. And then your line is going to look like that. All right? So your homework or your class, not your homework, your classwork for Wednesday is to do any 5 of these you want. Okay, there's 6 choices. I did 1, so you can count that one if you want. And then you'll do 4 more. Okay, and that's due Wednesday night by 11:59 p.m. Thanks a lot, guys. Shorter lesson today, but it's important. If you didn't get this Friday, you might need to watch Friday's video again. I'm not sure. Maybe this did it for you. But make sure you understand this and go back to Friday's video if you're struggling. Thanks a lot, guys. Take care. Bye.